Hi, I'm Janae and welcome to Best Laid Plans. Today we're going to be talking about some weekly challenges for the year 2020 that I will be undertaking, and I hope that you come along with me.
Hi, I'm Janae and I teach productivity that sticks. If you're interested in planning your perfect life, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.
So the first challenge is by Taylor Flannery, and she does a 52-week home organization challenge. Now, my house is very challenged at the moment. We've moved here a couple of years ago from a larger house that was never really fully moved in from the house that we moved in previously. Plus, we have, I believe, 3 other households that have kind of merged with ours. So we have things from my grandfather's house, from my mother's house, and it's just, there is so much stuff that has just never been sorted, never been gone through. And then of course I have 3 kids. I don't know, and they accumulate stuff. I mean, they don't really have their own things. I mean, they have their clothes and their toys and things, but I mean, how do they accumulate so much stuff? So what we're going to do is, by way of this challenge, and I thought it would be fun to make a weekly vlog of doing these challenges, and hopefully it gives you some inspiration on doing them with me. Now, in all of my videos, there's going to be one link down below to my blog, and that will list all of the products that are used in my videos, and that includes links to Taylor's site. I believe it's homeorganization101.com. All of the links will be there. There's going to be a link to that, and what you'll want to do is sign up for her challenge. Now, what I've got is not only the 52-week challenge, but I've also downloaded her daily calendar, and what I've done is I've cut that up into little stickers. You know, I hate a sticker shop, and I have put those in my daily calendar, so then I know what project that I'll be working on that week and that day. And then the other one is by Amy Marion. She's a YouTuber, and I love watching her stuff. She's just a sweet lady. And she has written quite a few books, and one of them is called Less Stuff, More Life. And you might think it's the same thing as the declutter thing, but it's really quite a bit different. She goes about teaching you how to let go of things in your life to simplify, and it's not just stuff. A lot of emotions and clutter that's, up here. So it's actually quite interesting, and I think they'll be able to blend together quite well. And if you're listening to this in December 2019, Amy Marion right now has those books available for free. So you go to her YouTube channel, and then in the description of her videos during this month, she's going to have a link to her particular post that she's giving these books away for free. So for Amy Marion's Less Stuff, More Life, basically how to simplify your life, this is the one that I will be actually doing over the next year to coincide with the home organization challenge. And I'm really excited. I think this is something that will be a lot of fun and motivational to just get things moving. So hopefully I can bring you along with me this year. We'll get our houses decluttered, we'll get our lives simplified, and that just paves the way for more best laid plans, right? So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you on the next Best Laid Plans. I don't know what all that was.